Without sadhana, you don't have the mastery. So once you haven't mastered your mind, basically somewhere or the other you're losing the energies. It could be from this all the human beings, when they're not aware of the energy, then automatically they lose the energy. Wherever they are not aware of the energy, wherever they don't have the wisdom, from there they are losing the energy.
I don't know if you know
So
about
only
Vedic. I don't know if you know about Vedic astrology, but my family pandits, because I come from a Brahmin family, so we have this lineage of looking at the charts. So I was told that the north node of the moon, Rahu, is in Aidra Nakshatra. It is in my eighth house, and my Lagna is Scorpio, and Jupiter is in my Lagna. So these things cannot be stopped. Like my family pandit
to
have
be
told us.
wait, okay, you asked the question. So
Yeah.
let me tell the answer. Na? So
Okay.
once you have the soul wisdom, that is Atma Gnana, you all of your life you're happy. Okay, that's first thing. That's called mastery through enlightenment, Arihant. Okay, and the second level is in whatever wherever you're draining the energy, that place if you have the wisdom, then that place your draining will not happen. So if you learn about dreams and dream wisdom, how to master the dreams, you from there energy you said drainage will not happen. You'll master the energy there. But we need to like that. But once you master one place, some other place it will then happen. Some other place because mind is always Maya affects from one or the other direction.
But the thing is, I don't really think about anybody. I don't think about anything like what is going to happen, about this, about that. These dreams, they just come to me. Like, I don't even think about, about unnecessary things or watch uh, spirituality,
Okay.
too much
So basically
spirituality
here,
videos.
okay. So basically here, I mastered my dreams. So
Okay,
first thing is there are the dream science I'll tell in
okay.
a 1 minute because we are out of the
Yeah,
time.
yes,
So
yes, yes.
one thing is we need to remember the dreams. You're already remembering, that's okay. But
I
afterward,
write it down.
after that, write it down. That's good. After that, you need to recognize when you're dreaming that I am in a dream. So
Okay,
that part, that wisdom you need to develop. That happens that you can search in Google reality checks, 25 reality checks, okay, to recognize that you are in dream. Okay, there are many practices are there. If you do research on that, once you recognize that you are in dream, what happens is then onwards you can change the dreams. You can take control of the dreams because you know that this is dream. Then onwards you can master the dreams. Then you can become the god in the dreams. Then you can become the god of the dreams. So these are the levels are there. Do research on that. And once you
okay.
become, if you want to stop, this stop means the dream should stop because you are the god of the dream. Dreams are happening where in your own world.
Yeah.
You can take control of the world when you have the awareness and when you practice, and of course meditation also helps. So and learn
Any book that you can suggest,
in
like to
internet
be avoiding the dream, like
in
to be a
internet
psychic.
in internet search for the lucid dreaming. You can lot of things are there. So many articles and everything. Lucid dreaming, you can read about that. Okay, lucid
Yes,
dreaming.
okay. Yeah, thank you very much.
Very good, wonderful. Wish you all the best. And probably in the future we take couple of workshops about one is about dreams and one is about death also. We were discussing. So
Is there any literature in our Vedic Shastra, any specific book in our Upanishad regarding this vivid lucid dream? Because I prefer to go to the original source. I don't like to Google, Western way of thinking about lucid dream. I like to go to my Asian
actually, do you
culture.
understand Sanskrit? Do you understand Sanskrit?
No, I don't understand
Then,
Sanskrit, but it
then
can be
don't
translated in
talk about.
English. English.
Then it's okay. Whoever they wrote it in English means they with their limited knowledge only they wrote. If you understand Sanskrit only, like come on, they're like
There
all
are
the Sanskrit has
so
different
many
meanings.
books now from our ancient wisdom. It has been translated in
But
English.
those
I'm talking
translators,
about, yeah.
who translated that? That important. Okay. If anyone mastered the dreams, If they translate, then it will come. Many Upanishads are talking about the dreams. Okay. But
Upanishads.
many translations are wrong. Okay.
Yes, okay. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Next, Kavita garu.
Hello, good evening, Master. Master, I'm new to meditation. I got two questions. One is like when I meditate, few days it's quite okay. I'm trying to like focus on my breath, but some days, most days, I get like get diverted. Like think about this, that. Though I try to stop within a minute, like okay, this thing has to be done. Like my mind wavers. One is how to control. I know it's like it's I don't know whether it's a silly question or not.
Gudakesha, we guarantee. Usually I saw so many gurus, so many masters, everyone talking about mastering the mind, but nobody mastered it. Okay, literally speaking. But here we guarantee your thoughtless state. Gudakesha practice, we guarantee your thoughtless state, friends. Because why we guarantee means I mastered it after 8.5 years of my meditation, master my mind. Then I was teaching and I understood that so many formulas, and then there is certain way. Okay, once you learn from the masters, you ask anyone, have you mastered your mind? Can you meditate without any thought for 30 minutes? If anybody is meditating without any 30 minutes, without any thought for 30 minutes, then you can learn from them. Gudakesha is such practice.